So the G chord, we're going to be using 3 fingers, okay, 3 fingers, and looking at the diagram again, you'll see that the 4th finger is at the 3rd fret of the E string, or string 1. The 3rd finger is on the opposite string, same fret. The 2nd finger is on the 2nd fret of the A string, the 5th string. Once you have that, be brave, you can strum this like this. And that's it. Now, maybe your first attempt will not be fantastic, but with time, you'll be fine. I want you to strum along with me. Okay, I'm going to give you a count of 4, and then we'll strum together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. C chord. And the C chord is, I don't know, it's quite similar to the G chord in some respects. We're going to still use the 2nd finger and the 3rd finger, and we're going to move them across, as you see from the diagram. Okay, so our 3rd finger is now at the 3rd fret of the A string, or the 5th string, and our 2nd finger is now at the 2nd fret of the D string, or the 4th string. We're not using the little finger, but we are now using the 1st finger, and the 1st finger goes on the 1st fret of the B string, or the 2nd string. Okay, and if you look at the diagram, you'll notice that on the bottom E string there is an X, and this X means don't play this one. And you should have something like this. So we're just going to strum that one a few times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to put those chords together. And so what we're going to do, a little practice, and it's going to be basically changing from G to C, G to C. And on the screen now is a chord progression, okay? And it's a very simple thing. You see the name of the chord, and the wedge marks basically mean strum. And there's also a little arrow pointing downwards, and that just means a down strum. Okay, this is probably the most basic strumming that you can do. Let's try it together. 2 Gs, 2 Cs, 2 Gs, 2 Cs, and then we'll finish on the G again. Here comes the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Challenge for you, you could call it homework if you wanna, is to play a song. And a simple song to play with just those 2 chords is the Beatles' Paperback writer. It only uses G and C for the verses and the chorus. Underneath is a link to the chords and a link to the video. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.